Hey guys, Jignesh Jain here, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. As usual, we'll be going to review another great ROM for Android 11, and it is based on the latest security patch level of 5th September 2020. So as you can see the build date and other details of this. So this is AEX ROM, which is directly flashable on Violet, that is Redmi Note 7 Pro, and you can flash it directly via TWRP as a ROM. No need of any vendor or other boot files. So that's a great thing. You can directly flash it out. And now, as usual, all the Android 11 features are available into this particular ROM. And the hotspot has been fixed in this ROM. Yes, the hotspot is working great, including that the other feature of calling, that is the sensor while calling is working great. So proximity sensor in the call works good. No issues with that also. All the bugs are been ironed out right now, and I can say you can use it as a daily driver. Moreover, you can also use the select option in the recent panel. As you can see here, you can copy paste from here itself. If you have some data to copy it from the recent menu, or say you have some OTPs to be copied and paste, you can directly do it from here itself. So that's another great thing. And including this, every other pixel features are also available. If you are specifically or not getting this pixel features, then I'll suggest you to flash the pixel launcher, and after that just update the personalization version, so you get all the features. Above you also get the AX wallpaper options if you want to use it, so you can use that. And as you can see, we don't have a styling option here, but you can go to the settings menu, select the display, and you can have the three of the styling option here. You can select the accent color from this particular menu, you can select the fonts from this particular menu, and you can also change the icon shape. So basically the only feature that is missing from the styles and wallpaper is the status bar icon. So yeah, you cannot change the status bar icons right now, and you know that substratum doesn't work right now. So that's the bug, and I think it would be solved in the next version maybe. Other than that, you have the color option, but you can't select any colors from here. And you also have the lock screen always on display, so you can now actually keep the always on display working in the background if you want to. It's a battery consuming, but if you want to, you can use that. Other than that, everything is same as Android 11, and I don't see any changes into it. So go ahead and flash this ROM if you really like this. Hope this video is helpful for you, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing videos. Take care, guys.